Hello YouTubers, this is going to be completely out of my fucking league. We're going to see all sorts of stuff today that you've never seen. I'm going to use a ruler, there's going to be measuring, there's going to be precision cutting, working, welding, just stuff you've never seen me do. It's going to be amazing. Like I know what the fuck I'm doing now. Right, so if I can stop everything falling over. I'll show you what we've got. So, sissy bar. Stupid fucking camera. Right, sissy bar. So I've measured out a grid, keeping it straight, trying to keep it. So I want to cut these manky ends off here. Let's turn this round. There we go. So I want to cut these manky ends off, so I've measured it, found my centre line, run a line straight up through the middle of the sissy bar to here, and so I can make sure it's all square and everything's staying square, so when I mount it, I can cut this. Then I'm going to get some metal plate, and I'm going to kind of weld better tabs onto this. I may rebate it a little bit, weld the tab in. And then what I did last night is, over on the back here, this tab will be cut off. I've said that 1,000 times, but this fucking snotty weld, this will be coming off. And I've threaded this. I'm going to try that. It's an M12 thread. I saw a couple of the kits online with the bolt sissy bars that they said, oh, basically you thread that. So we're going to see if that's enough to hold the sissy bar. So I did that on both sides. And then you can see I've got a chain over the rear wheel. Pull that up there. What I'm hoping is run the sissy bar up here, mount also the rear fender on the sissy bar using this hole, and then come up with a mount at the front. Just measuring and getting everything centre. I've marked my centre lines here. I'll mark a centre line on the fender, and measuring wonder and hardly running, son. I don't know. Right, but that's how we're going to go. Cool. First stage done. Cut them dirty ends off. Made a couple of tabs out of some old steel I had knocking about. I've kind of clamped them loosely in place, like they're too, it's not central. So I've marked out 30 mil in. I'm gonna cut a little rebate for the steel, and then get the steel cleaned up and welded. Quite happy so far. Everything seems to be staying straight. Let's see. Okay, so cut the tabs, cut the slots, got them clamped, got them spaced very precisely with a bolt to give me the space in there. Same on both sides, ground it back, measured them out. Now it is time for the welding montage. Welding montage. Let's get it done. Did you enjoy the montage? How fucking cool was that? Not that I actually know, because I haven't made it yet. I've just got this welded up. I just thought I'd show you. So, gone. Welding's not, you know, perfect, but I've kind of rounded it off there. bolt through sissy bar stays. So, in the next episode, I will be coming up with a tab for here, coming up with mounts for there, and we'll get that rear fender done. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, please. It helps so much. Just, I'm not sure, YouTube's algorithm, please. Just put, Danny, you're an idiot. Or, Danny, why aren't you wearing Crocs in this video? Or, Danny, something. Some kind of comment, thumbs up, really, really helps. Cheers. Come back soon. Bye-bye. Right, just as an afterthought, I thought I'd put into this video to let you know why I kind of moved on to the sissy bar and stuff like that. I had to order controls, like levers and handlebar clamps for the bike, and I had to order the new rear brake line. So while I'm waiting for them to come, I thought I'd just start pranning around with other things. So I'll do some cosmetic stuff, then maybe switch back to getting the controls and that, and getting the bike, you know, having the bike running, and switch between. I've got no real format. I just come out and do a bit of what I fucking want to do. Yeah, but anyway, like, subscribe, share.